track 1 and a track 2. Any audio that you sent to track 1 is heard on the live stream. Any audio that you send to track number 2 gets saved in the VOD. So hit apply, okay, then open your advanced audio properties. And earlier we had fed our browser to the Sonar Media channel here. So that's where I'm going to be playing music. And you go over here to the track numbers, uncheck number 2, because anything checked to go to number 2 will get saved in the VOD. So uncheck it. But as I have shown you how to set it up now, everything played in your browser is not going to be saved in the VOD. So if you play a YouTube video,
okay. So Sonar Media is what's going to be our that. So it's not controlled through this. That's where I was wrong. The volume of what y'all are hearing is controlled here. The volume of what I'm hearing is controlled here. So, okay, so this is going to actually do the organization. Okay. I like that song, so we're going to play that again. Hi, Moonlight. Thank you for the roll call. It is still broken, though. I'm sorry. It's going to be a bit before that's fixed, so... y'all know this screen. This is the stream ending screen. So we're just working on that. We're going to change that, but I'm not worried about it right now. Because we're still working on things, right? Like we're trying to repair everything. Yeah, that's what we're trying to work on. And naturally, I'm going to work on like changing the audio settings and all of that fun stuff. But for now, Yeah. So I think one of the issues I did before was I didn't disable different audio channels. So I think it was fucking with my stream. So I'm thinking it should be fine. Okay. Now we're going to go get our, now we're going to go get our, where's my OBS? There it is. Now we're going to go get our, all the stuff that we built. I can't remember what it's called, but we're going to go get all of our, anyway. I don't know if any of this backed up. I'm hoping it did, because that would be really convenient. Okay, so it did not connect. Well, OBS is right here. It's on. Okay. Okay, so now it should back up now. And we're going to have to back it up to a different location, but that's fine. So how do I connect? Okay. Oh. Okay. How do I connect to this? Ah! I don't actually, guys, know how to connect my yeah, I don't actually know how to connect connect this. So
or if you
am I not live? I should be live. Right? I mean, nah, it's because I didn't transfer. I didn't transfer all of the like audio stuff. So it's not, I don't know. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm trying to fix things. Yeah. Okay. I've enabled captions. I don't know if that means it's now available. The date of a neighbor touches. I don't know if that means it's available. I'm sorry. Captions suck on OBS. It has no idea what I'm saying, does it? Like, I'm trying really hard to like speak clearly and using my voice, and I don't think it's actually captioning what I'm saying correctly. Oh, it is. Okay. I don't know. I'll leave captions on. Why not? It's like another bonus item. Fuck it, right? That's what streamers do, I think. Period. Pop off captions. We love captions. We love a good caption moment. Capture this. I'm stunning. I'm sorry. That was a little. I'm sorry y'all had to hear that. Okay, now I have to figure out how the hell to connect. Now I have to figure out how to connect. So like, it's saying. So okay, what's really weird, right? It's saying that this is my. Navigate to Stream Apps, OBS in StreamerBot. To add a new connection, right-click anywhere and select Add. Enter any name or label to describe this OBS instance. Select the version of OBS WebSocket to use for this connection. To continue using WebSocket, you must install WebSocket plugin. It is recommended to update if you are currently using an older version. Enter the host address of your OBS WebSocket server. If OBS Studio is running on the same machine as StreamerBot, keep this. For multi-PC setups, configure this with another IP. Enter the port of your OBS WebSocket server. Why is that muting my audio? I don't like that. Okay, we're just going to call it OBS. So, how do I enable WebSocket? Yeah, I don't know. I don't actually know how to. Yeah, it's still saying not connected though. Huh. I'm so confused.